Ever been snuck up in Call of Duty or missed a crucial sound cue in Overwatch 2? Razer has the solution for you. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech and gaming news. The Razer BlackShark V2 Pro wireless gaming headset, Xbox Edition, isn't just another accessory. It's a tactical advantage, and it comes wrapped in titanium, memory foam, and pure audio precision. Engineered by one of the biggest names in gaming tech, this headset delivers elite performance whether you're battling in the war zone or diving deep into an open-world epic. At its core are 50mm TriForce Titanium drivers that produce crystal clear sound with incredible depth and detail. You'll hear enemies before they see you. Every reload, footstep, or distant explosion will come to life with cinematic precision. Razer hasn't left out communication either. The detachable hi-fi unidirectional mic ensures your voice cuts through the chaos like a commander issuing orders. Crisp, clean, and lag-free. And if you're into marathons, it's got 70+ hours of battery life and plush memory foam ear cushions with durable fabric so your ears won't hurt. While this Xbox edition skips out on PC-specific perks like Razer Synapse and custom esports profiles, it still performs flawlessly on PC. Just plug and play. Well, for Xbox gamers, this headset's a no-brainer. It's tailor-made for your console and ready for battle. The BlackShark V2 Pro Xbox Edition is more than just a headset. It's your edge in every fight, a companion for every campaign, and possibly the last headset you'll need for years. Are you gonna get this beauty? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.